Welcome to the Quick Start Guide for using Octothorpe's protocol to add hashtags to your website. The difference between adding a tag and a hashtag to your website is that a hashtag, like on any platform, will show you all the other people using the tag on different sites. And that's one of the main things that OP lets you do. So we're going to start with a NeoCities site that I have here, and it's already registered on the main server, and you can check whether you're registered by looking for your URL in the domains list here. And if you're not registered, you can just fill out some information here and apply to register. None of this information is stored. It does not create an account. There is no such thing as an Octothorpe's account as of this recording. This is just a way for us to confirm your site and get in touch with you. So if we go over to my new page, this is what it currently looks like. And it's a little bit more information about hummingbirds. And this is the sum total of the page. There's nothing fancy on it. There's no JavaScript. And this is all the HTML that is going into creating the page. So how do we start to hashtag with a page this simple? It's actually pretty easy. If we go over to the docs website for Octothorpe's, we have a quick start guide, and we're going to use the basic method. So you select this. This is how you tell Octothorpe's to look at your site. This just pings an OP server, and if you're registered with that server, it will then look at the page that pinged it and look for Octothorpe's on that page. So I'll put that in the head of our document, and of course we have to update our URL that we want it to send to the correct URL. And make sure to include the entire URL with any HTTP prefix that comes with it. And that's all we need to do to tell the server to look at us. But we haven't added any hashtags yet. So the next step is to just add another link that has our hashtag information in it. This is just a simple way to tell the OP server what tags you want to add to your page. The important part here is this rel equals octo:/Octothorpe's, and then in the href you can add any tags you want to apply to the page. We're just going to do one hummingbirds. I'm going to click save and view the page, and the page looks the same. I'll just refresh a couple times, and let's go back to our list, or go back to our OP server, and let's see if we have shown up on the hummingbirds hashtag yet. So any hashtag on an OP server will just be at the server's address and then tilde and then the hashtag. So here we are, and here it is. Hummingbird facts. Now there's no title or description because I didn't add one to the page, but if I do, it'll show up here. So that is really all it takes to hashtag your page. You need to tell the server or tell a server to look at your page, and then you need to give the server something to find when it lands on your page. There are other ways of doing this, but this is the simplest way. And as you see, it runs on simple HTML only sites. And if you want to get fancier, we can do the JavaScript based version, which uses a nice little web component and gives you a way to embed this list of other sites using the same tag or hashtag on your page. So let's do that now. That is under fancy web component method on the quick start page. And what you need to do is just copy the script, and this assumes that you're using the main server, but if you are on a different server, you can just change the URL. And we'll go back to our page and add that to the head of our site. Don't really need to clean it up like this, but I feel like a lot of people watching will want me to do this, and I do too. So now that you have this, you can use the Octothorpe web component, which is very easy. So it's just octo-thorpe as an HTML element, and then you type the hashtag that you want to use in the center. And when we save this and view it, we now have a cool little embeddable list of sites using hummingbirds. And I just needed a minute to connect. And now you can see all the other pages that are using that tag on the server. And that's just the same thing as this list, but on your own page. So, yeah, it's as easy as that. And there's plenty more you can do with OP, but this is the basics. And have fun. Happy hashtagging.